So we do a basic first. A 1, 2, 3, and a 1, 2, 3, and. So on the end, my hand goes up, lady turns, and I drop it. A 1, 2, 3. We do that again. A 1, 2, 3, and a 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to turn it the other way. I put the hand. 1, 2, 3. A 1, 2, 3, and a 1, 2, 3. Now 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, single turn for the lady, and she turns back. A 1, 2, 3. A 1, 2, 3. A 1, 2, 3. A 1, 2, 3, and a 1, 2, 3. Now the man turns as well, so they both turn. A 1, 2, 3. A 1, 2, 3, and they turn the other way. A 1, 2, 3. A 1, 2, 3. Then with the right hand lead. A 1, 2, 3, a 1, 2, 3, a 1, 2, 3, a 1, 2, 3, and a 1, 2, 3. And now the most important thing is she turns to the camera and she bows.